पंडित नेहरू जी की एक स्टेटेड पॉलिसी थी कि भारत को आर्मी का जरूरत ही नहीं है।
तेजस्वी सूर्या इतिहास खुद पढ़ा नहीं होता तो ले लो।
1948 में our armed forces had breached the LOC, and all of what is today known as Pak occupied Kashmir was in our control. But it was this Congress party and its leadership of that time that surrendered all of Pak occupied Kashmir. What military achievement we had gained, we squandered on the diplomatic table. 1965 में भी वही हुई, 1971 में भी वही हुई। पंडित नेहरू जी की एक स्टेटेड पॉलिसी थी कि भारत को आर्मी का जरूरत ही नहीं है। No plans of modernization of army is required. India का policy is ahimsa. We don't need the army. Police will do its job. 1947 से लेकर आज तक कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो कंसिस्टेंट पॉलिसी है वो भारत को और भारत के सशस्त्र बल को सिस्टमैटिकली और डेलिबरेटली वीक करने का एक पॉलिसी है।
I think Tejasvi Surya is not here, unfortunately. I can't see him in the house. But I would like to tell him and put it on record because I have this document which I can table. He has not only insulted thousands and lakhs of Indian force and armies and their families who have stood so that you and I can be safe. I object to the statement that he has made. And I would like to read out. Indo-Pak War, the first time we won. Operation Polo 1948, Hyderabad into Indian Union, September 1948, is a success of the Indian Army. Operation Vijay 1961, Goa, Diu, Daman, military operation led to the liberation of the Portuguese enclaves, completing India's territorial integration, December 1961. Indo-Pakistan War 1965, successfully defended Indian borders, preventing Pakistan from achieving its strategic objectives. August-September 1965, Bangladesh liberation and Indo-Pakistan War 1971, a decisive victory of Indian Army along Mukti Bahini, liberated in Bangladesh in 13 days, leading to surrender 90,000 Pakistani troops, March 1991. This Tejasvi Surya इतिहास खुद पढ़ा नहीं होता तो ले लो। देश का सवाल आता है तो देश पहला, उसके बाद राज्य, उसके बाद पार्टी, उसके बाद फैमिली, पहले देश आता है।